Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to auto-generate product description with AI. To manage with the generation of the product description with AI, first we have to install the module AI, and you can head into the module. From here, move on to the configuration settings and ensure that you have enabled the provider. So you can use your own ChatGPT account, and you just need to provide your API key to connect with your account. Once it's done, you can save the changes that you have made and later on move on to the sales module. You can find the product over here. So let's consider the product and also ensure that you have installed the studio module. So once it's done, you can just use a particular product from here, and let's head into the studio module, and afterwards you can find the field called AI. So I would like to choose the AI field. So let me just drag and place it over here. I would like to set the field type as multi-line, and afterwards you can provide a prompt over here. So I would like to set it as generate product description on the basis of product name. So when you just provide like this, you won't be getting the result. So you just need to use the dynamic field. To set the dynamic field, use the /. You will be getting the AI prompt tools, and you can just move on to field selectors. And here I'll be searching for name over here. Currently we have selected it and we just need to insert the name over here. Let me click on add, and you can see that the field will be adding over here. Now you can see that the name of the field is new AI multi-line text, and we just need to change it as product description because we are just going to create the product description with the support of the AI. So once it's done, you can save the changes that you have made over here, and upon clicking on the AI, the Odoo AI will be automatically generating the product description based on the product name. So we have to just wait for a while to just add this field into our Odoo database. Now let me close the interface from here, and you can see that we have the field, and upon clicking on AI, you can see that the description will be automatically populated over here upon looking onto the product name. And as you just choose any of the product from here, you can see that we'll be getting the product description field over here, and you can find that the description is generated. And let me choose another product, and upon clicking on the AI, you can see that the description is auto-generated with the support of AI. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.